What if I told you that the only way to live forever is to die 1 billion times before you take your last breath? I'm not talking about the death that puts you in the ground. I'm talking about the death of you right now. Your fears, your excuses, your fake little comfort zone you guard like a treasure chest, when in reality, it's a coffin. Because here's the truth. Every version of you has an expiration date. And if you don't kill the old versions, they'll kill your dreams instead.
Let's be honest. You feel stuck. Every day feels the same. Wake up, scroll, work, eat, sleep, repeat. You tell yourself you're waiting for the right time. You tell yourself you're not ready yet. You tell yourself, I'll do it when I have more money, more connections, more confidence. But the truth? Every day you delay, the weaker you get. And deep down, you know it. The fear that's holding you back? It's not just fear of failing. It's fear of dying as you are. Because your identity, the you you've built over the years, is familiar, safe, predictable. But safe doesn't build empires. Predictable doesn't break records. And familiar never changed the world.
When Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, the company he co-founded, that was the death of a version of him. He could have vanished, lived in exile, but instead, he rebuilt. Next, Pixar. And when he came back, he was unrecognizable, sharper, bolder, more dangerous. Apple didn't just return, it took over the world. That resurrection? Only possible because the old Steve Jobs was buried. Serena Williams didn't become the greatest because she won all the time. She became the greatest because she died 1,000 times on the court. Every loss, every injury, every doubt, she shed her skin. And every time, the version that came back was faster, stronger, more relentless.
A young girl, shot in the head for going to school. Her old life, gone in an instant. She could have let that be the end. Instead, she became a global voice for education. The death of one chapter became the birth of an unstoppable force. Elon Musk sold PayPal, made millions, could have retired to a private island. But he killed that comfortable, rich version of himself and risked everything on rockets and electric cars, industries everyone said would fail. Now, SpaceX and Tesla dominate. Maybe your example isn't on a magazine cover. Maybe your death will be quieter, but just as powerful. Quitting that dead-end job, walking away from the relationship that's poisoning you, shutting down the version of yourself that says, I can't.
Here's the truth no one tells you. The people you admire are professional self-assassins. They kill the procrastinator in them, the insecure teenager in them, the comfort-loving coward in them. They don't just set goals, they destroy the identities that can't reach them. Step 1. Identify the version of you that needs to die. Write it down. Name it. Is it lazy you, doubtful you, approval-seeking you? Step 2. Starve it. Stop feeding it with the same routines, same excuses, same people who keep you small. Step 3. Create chaos on purpose. Change your environment. Try something that scares you every single week. Burn the safety nets. Step 4. Build the next version. Every death creates space for a rebirth. New skills, new habits, new confidence. And here's the secret. You don't do this once. You do it forever.
So I'm asking you right now, Who do you need to kill today? The overthinker? The quitter? The someday dreamer? Bury them. And when the world wonders how you became untouchable, unstoppable, immortal, you'll know. You died 1 billion times and lived 1,000,001. Now go. Burn the old you. Rise. Repeat. Like and subscribe for more life-changing rules, because this was just your first death.